So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and a lot of you are having multiple confusion regarding the 60 days POTD challenge, the verification form, how we have to fill. So this video is regarding that only and some special tips also, because a lot of you are having issue regarding the resume one, because other things are clearly mentioned how we have to fill it. So first of all, let me tell you about resume, and after that I'll tell you regarding the other details. So here what you have to share in the resume, you have to just create a resume with all your personal details. This is a sample resume. Here you have to mention your name, career objective. You can just enter a brief intro about you, contact details. If you want to share your phone number, you can share it. There is no issue. Your location, your LinkedIn profile, all the things. Okay. And all the things like key skills, you can mention your education. If you are a school or college student, you can mention all the education details over here. After that, academic projects, like many of you have participated in the arcade program, you can mention that also, or even in the Genie Academy Epic Edition, a lot of you have completed, so you can mention all these things over here. You can add a section of languages, you can add a section of key skills, which is already mentioned over here. If you have done any certification, you can mention like this. Now you can create a template using any online tools also, or MS Word also provides some templates. You have to just come over here, click on new, and just search for resume. You'll find multiple templates completely free of cost. From there, just select it and modify the details. You can just modify and remove it. For example, I'm just opening it. Okay, so like this, you can just mention all your details personally and get it updated. Okay, and then convert it into PDF. How it is? It is very simple. You have to just click on file. From here, you can see export option is there, and then just click on create XPS PDF, enter the file name, it will be saved to that particular location. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply upload it, and the maximum size is 100 MB. Okay, so you can resize it using any online resize tool also if the size is too much. Okay, now coming over here to other things that most important people need to know about it, you have to mention your name, email ID with which you have created the GFG account where you have completed the 60 days POTD challenge. Okay, after that, you have to enter your mobile number, college details, and the platform. A lot of you are having queries regarding the platform only. The second issue is regarding the platform. So here two platform they have mentioned, one is X and one is LinkedIn. X is also known as Twitter for the people who don't know about it. So if you have posted on Twitter or on LinkedIn, okay, you have to select anyone. Okay, if you have posted on both, then do one thing, I will tell you. In whichever platform your profile is active and having more than 5 to 10 followers at least, then you can select that particular platform if you have posted on both the platform. Okay, and in case you have posted on any one platform, say LinkedIn only, and you created recently the account, then what you need to do, if you are a college student or if you are a school student, you need to first of all send share the profile to your friends, and you can just send connections. Okay, send connection request to everyone. Also do one thing, if your profile is completely new, add your education details, add your profile picture so that it becomes genuine, because they have clearly mentioned at the top, if you just see that if any fake LinkedIn and Twitter profiles are found, it will be disqualified. So all these things are clearly mentioned. Also check your profile, just paste on a new tab and check your profile whether the page is opening or not, because this form is one time submissions activation, means you can submit only one time, and if you try to submit using other means multiple time, your entry will be rejected. Okay, so just check the links before you are sharing all the things over here. I repeat again, for the resume, you have to just create a resume and enter all the details one by one. Like I have shown, you have to enter your name, details, experience, education, qualification, all the things you can mention over there. And simply just enter your address, pin code, and submit. Now, filling this form does not guarantee that you'll be getting the swags. Just like in the technical scripter, a lot of you have faced, even I have also faced, that they said everyone gets the swags, but reality, very few people got the swags. So they'll try their best to reject your application. So that's why I'm suggesting, first of all, do the modification on your profile. Do not hurry and fill the form. Just modify your profile, add your correct details. Do the same with the GFG account. Okay, do the same with the GFG account, add the details, same details over there, and then only just submit it so that you are able to get the swag safely. So this was the update, because a lot of you were commenting regarding it. So that's why I made a video regarding it. And thank you guys. Have a great day. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.